Hey everyone, it's Sandra with the DisneyCarToys channel.
It's Buddy Awesome.
And today we have an awesome Easter basket, which is like a nice little showcase of what you can get at the store this year for Easter.
Right.
And this thing is like mega full.
Yeah, it's
like mega. These are cool, by the way.
Yeah.
Mega full. So I guess
like so much.
yeah, I'm going to start. I'm just going to
Okay.
start with my favorite, which is the Pez dispenser right
Bunny
here.
Pez.
Cute little bunny, and they have bunnies and chicks and lambs. Like they're kind of all the usual, but I love Pez because they taste so good. Okay, it kind of looks like their tongue's sticking out. That's why I kind of like. Ah. So here's Spidey.
Okay.
There we go. Okay, and then one for me. Best flavor ever.
Yum.
Happy Easter.
Uh-huh.
Okay, now you gotta pick yours.
Okay. All right. Let's see what else we got in here.
Look at all these eggs.
I know. Look at all
Oh,
these
whoa, that's like a giant egg. What is
eggs.
that?
Ooh, this is an egg cup gumball dispenser.
What? No way. So, oh, it twists. No way.
Ooh,
Sweet.
so it
Okay.
actually works. Okay, so let's set it up.
Open it up.
Let's see.
Sweet. Oh, yay. Tons of gumballs. That's awesome.
wow.
We're gonna like
Ooh.
tons of sugar today. Well, that's what Easter's, you know, like
It's full.
you always
That's
go
what
to
it's
church
for.
that day with tons of sugar.
Oh yeah. All right. Here's our egg cup dispenser.
Cool. I like how big those are.
Big gumball.
Yay.
Like legit. So you just turn this.
Okay, let's see it. Oh, that's
There it
pretty.
is.
That's like a lovely
White one.
pearl. Like
Yeah.
it looks like jewelry. What color do you get?
Pearl. Let's see.
I say white for you too. We'll see.
Come on.
Come on. Oh, yep.
Yep.
Hey, I guess right. Okay, wait. Let's do one more guess. Blue.
Okay.
We'll see how lucky I am. Oh, yellow. That's cool. These are good. Okay, let's try it.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Nice
They
and
taste.
sweet.
Yeah, they taste very bubbly.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm kind of interested to see what this is.
Oh.
Lolly hairbrush.
Hairbrush. Okay.
Isn't that weird?
Interesting. All right.
Okay, everything we're getting today is hard to open. You notice that?
Yeah, it is. It's like woo.
Get out. Okay.
You gotta cut it like 1,000 times.
Yeah, there we go. Ta-da! This is kind of cool. I think my daughter would like it. Okay, so we've got this
okay.
popsicle. But
Yummy.
you can't eat it. Oh, wow. Holy cow. That's cool. That's actually really soft. There we go.
All right.
We'll brush the bunny's ears.
There you go.
Lovely, lovely. This is cool. And then you can have a case to store all of your hair that falls out.
Ooh, yummy.
This is cool. I like
Yeah,
it. Delish.
It's really fun. All right. I want to finally do one of these eggs. Yeah.
Yay! Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles.
Candy characters inside.
Oh, sweet.
Okay,
I wonder if it's like
well.
those hard candies or if it's gummies or.
Yeah, I don't know.
Yeah. Another thing
There we
hard to
go.
open.
So you just gotta cut it. Okay.
It would be funny if they tasted like pizza.
Oh yeah.
Oh, they're green. That's good.
Okay. Let's see.
They're probably like
they're
sweet
little-
tarts or something. Oh, here's like one. Well, you can't tell which one is what. 'Cause it's like,
Right.
is it Mikey or? I mean, they're all green.
Yeah.
Let's try it.
They're all the same. They're all turtles. So.
Oh wow, they're like sour.
Oh. Yeah, they smell.
They smell like maybe sour apple or something.
They smell very strong.
Okay, I've got to do this because it's
Oh, yeah.
Chupa Chup Bunny lollipop ups. So
okay.
I don't know. I'm kind of
Cool.
curious. I haven't had a Chupa Chup since I was a kid. Have you?
No, because my nana used to have a whole bucket of them, and we would always like just sit there and eat them.
They're good. Well, they taste really good. They're really unique. Some of them, I remember I'd have like creamy
Yeah.
ones, but let's see. This is cherry, strawberry, watermelon.
Oh, okay.
And then, oh, weird. Okay, so watch this. So you have this little button here. You push it up, and the bunny's head explodes. No, bunny!
That's so funny.
So I assume, let's try this out.
Okay.
That you put your Chupa Chup inside, like
Okay.
so. Ta-da! Okay, this is cool. It's like you can save your lollipop,
Like, wow.
or maybe you hide it from your siblings. Be like, oh, it's just a bunny.
it's just
Don't
a-
worry.
yeah.
Sucker! Actually, that's nice because then if you can't eat it all, you can save it
saves
for
it,
later.
yeah.
That's cute. Bunny
right.
hop.
All right. I want to do this big thing back here.
Yeah,
Let's see.
the big small thing.
Oh yeah, the world's smallest big thing.
Yes. Yeah. This is the Dunkin' Yo-Yo.
Ooh.
Yes, it actually works.
Okay.
Sweet. Okay, here.
I hope it does.
Okay, wow. Spidey.
All right.
Spidey smash. There we go. Good job. Oh, there we go. Get out of there.
Okay.
Sweet.
Yes, actually works.
Okay, let's try it out.
Alright, so I've got the yo-yo here and I'm going to attempt it.
Yeah, we're gonna attempt it. I don't know how to yo-yo. I've never been able to do it.
I don't know, okay.
Okay, there we go. Yay! Go Spidey! Woo! World's smallest yo-yo. And there we go.
Yeah.
And we're
It's pretty long, yeah.
Yeah.
It goes like, woo.
Yeah, it's really long. That's cool though. Hey, it works.
Yeah.
Okay, we still have like tons of eggs in here.
We do.
So I'll
but
try
eggs.
the biggest one. Oh,
Ooh,
frozen. Wow, this says
frozen.
Elsa on it. That's
Yeah.
cool. Okay. Here we go. Okay, it comes with
It's like a frozen fever egg. Okay.
candy. Okay, one second.
Oh.
And stickers. Okay, holy cow.
So all kinds of stuff. Yep, another hard one. These ones are always very hard because it's like so tight.
Yes, yeah, they do a good job. Oh no, I cut off their forehead. Okay, and their faces. Okay, get off. Okay, there we go. Oh yeah, Anna and Elsa.
Oh, cool.
Love. And then it's taped too.
Oh yes, good. They want to really make sure.
They like you will never open the egg. Okay.
Like it will be. Maybe they're fragile things inside.
I think it's candy and stickers.
Fragile candy.
Fragile candy. Oh my goodness! That wasn't supposed to happen.
That exploded all over the place.
Everywhere. Okay, here's some candy. Here's some candy.
Candy.
Here's some candy. Okay,
Wow.
let's check out our stickers though. Okay, here we go.
That's crazy.
I love warm hugs.
Okay.
Anna, Elsa, and then Sven and Olaf. Which one do you want?
Oh, cute. I like the Sven and Olaf.
Okay, here we go. You can put it on your hand. Let's see. There you go. Oh, here we go. I'll make sure it's. There we go.
There we
Snazzy,
go.
snazzy. I'll take Anna.
Yeah, yeah.
Why not?
Very pretty.
There we go, Anna. And then let's see, chewy lemon head.
Oh, chewy lemon heads.
Here you go, Spidey.
Okay, that'll be nice.
Yeah. Is it sour?
Okay.
Mine's okay. Is yours bad? I had a red one.
Not too bad.
Okay. It says Disney all over the place. Little
Disney.
snowflake.
Oh, pretty.
No need for lunch today.
Just a bunch of candy. It looks like a bright blue, yeah.
Okay, so I'll try those.
Oh, yeah.
It's like a hard sugary candy.
Yep.
Uh-oh, did I just cut this? Oh, wow. I just totally broke this. Ah, no! Okay, wait, hold on. Let me open another one.
It's a fail bracelet.
No, I cut the string while opening this.
Yeah.
Okay, here we go. Olaf candy bracelet.
Oh.
My kids would love that.
Yeah.
So fancy. Look at that.
That's fun.
Olaf.
I remember eating these, yeah.
And then you get the liquid, the color on your wrist and stuff.
And it gets all sticky everywhere. Gross.
Yeah, it's kind of gross, yeah. But that's pretty good. That's just, yeah, one size fits all.
That's right. All right, there's like so many eggs in here.
Oh, I know. So many eggs.
Okay.
Oh,
Ooh,
slimy.
it's a slime egg and something in the slime. Okay.
Weird.
It's like a
Oh, that's like, wow, that's like really thick slime.
Oh, I got a
More like
Shopkins.
goo. Oh, Shopkin. Not a slimy one, though.
Nope.
Or-
There we go.
It's a good one.
Yep, Edgar Egg Cup, which is perfect for all the eggs.
Oh,
Yeah.
eggs. Oh, ta-da. Yeah, you can put a hard-boiled
I
egg
can
in
even
here.
like make an egg out of this.
Oh, the slime.
And put it in there, kind of.
Yeah. There we go.
Fail egg.
I like it. I think it looks good. Okay, 3 more eggs left. I'm gonna go for this mystery pink one.
Ooh, what's this?
And a blind bag. Sweet. Alice Pets. Oh, sweet. Okay.
Okay.
I'm gonna guess we'll get Taj because we always get Taj. Oh wait, not Taj.
Oh, which one is it?
Oh, it's a peacock. We don't have this. This is Sundrop.
That's cute. I think it's Rapunzel's peacock.
Okay, I was gonna say, I was like, it looks like Rapunzel's, but I
Yeah.
wasn't totally sure.
I don't remember her having a peacock.
In the movie, no, she has Pascal and like Maximus.
Pretty.
It's really pretty. I like it.
Yeah. All right, down to 2 eggs, and I'll do this one.
Paw Patrol.
Paw Patrol candy inside. Let's see what kind of candy we have.
Rescue Pups.
There we go. Yep, rescue pups.
There we go.
Nice blue egg.
Yep. Oh, wow. Oh, candy. Hey, this is like the Ninja Turtle, but oh, that's cute. Different colors.
It's got like
I wonder if
orange
this is
and
sour.
yellow, and then they're like little paw prints.
Okay, we'll try one. I'll try yellow.
Try yellow one, yeah.
These are more sugary.
Okay, yeah.
Like less sour.
Yeah.
Really hard.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're good though. Yeah, it's kind of like a Smartie. Okay, last egg. Save the best for last. We've got, holy cow. Oh, a Stackins. And this, I think it's an Easter monster. Because that's what, you know, it's kind of like the Cheshire Cat a little bit.
Yeah,
but 3
it's weird
eyes.
looking. It's
1,
like a
2,
monster,
3.
yeah. Like,
Ooh, woo. It's like Halloween Easter combined. That's cool. Okay, we'll put that here.
Okay.
Well, we got a lot of toys and the crazy amount of candy.
Yes, we did.
I think kind of my favorite thing is this brush. I mean, how cool is that?
I know, that's nice. Yeah, it's useful.
And the Gumball Machine, the egg Gumball
Yes, this
Machine.
is my favorite right here, yeah.
Oh wait, and the pop-up Chupa Chup.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I think they're all awesome.
Sounds cute,
because everything. So let us know in the comments what your favorite Easter toy was, what you want in your Easter basket.
Oh, that's right. You can get all any of this stuff.
Yeah. Where do I buy all this stuff?
Some at Toys R Us.
Yeah, I think Toys R Us and Target.
Target, so
both
go
of
to
those.
those places.
Oh, and maybe Walgreens or something. I don't know.
Oh, yeah. Oh, I mean, Easter Bunny
everywhere.
itself, too.
Yeah, Easter Bunny too.
Yeah,
so anyway, like this video, subscribe, and then let us know what you want in your Easter basket this year.
Click on a picture to watch another fun toy video and click on the question mark to watch a mystery video.